When you attend this webinar, you're going to be exclusively looking at a tool that SolidWorks has called DriveWorks. This allows us to automate the task of building a product using graphic user interface. For example, say you want to build this conveyor belt. All you have to do is to put in the values, how long you want it to be, how short you want it to be, how wide you want it to be. All DriveWorks needs to do is to go on the background and automatically build or assemble together the product that you want to build. And this is what you'll be learning when you attend this webinar. How you'll be able to use SolidWorks to configure your product to meet your specification, to meet what you want to build. Now, this takes so much design time and effort off from the designer, and SolidWorks automatically designs everything for you, from concept to engineering to even building materials. It can even go ahead to create a quotation build for you that you can edit or work on, telling the customer or your client how much it's going to cost. Now, to learn how to use SolidWorks to configure your product, all you have to do is to attend the webinar organized by Generative CAD Services Limited, going to be held on November 6, 2024. The webinar is virtual and free to attend. To attend the webinar, click to register using the link below.